Welcome to Rough Riders. I'm Jay Taylor. Today we're doing a quick repair job on the Bradley here. As you guys know, I've had this thing for 5-6 years. It's been a great smoker for me. I love using it, but it has it's suffered some wear and tear over the years. This bottom trim piece is cracked and broken and fallen off, and the seal on the door is also torn and stuff. So we're going to replace both those today and get this job done. So let's take a look. So the first thing we're going to do today is replace this trim piece. And to do that, I want to take the door off. And as I swing the door open, there is a little retaining clip right here that I need to pull off. So I've got a pair of pliers here. Just going to spin it around. That, I should be able to pop the door right off. Just like that. To get this trim piece off, there is some screws right here on the outside, and then I think there's probably a few more screws underneath the seal as well. So I'm going to go ahead and pull the seal off because I'm going to be replacing that anyway. And to do that, there's a bunch of screws underneath the part of the seal. So we're going to start pulling all that off right now and get that out of the way. And to do that, I'm going to get myself some rubber gloves because this thing is well seasoned and there's a lot of residue and stuff there. So it's a little bit of a messy job. So here's all the screws I was talking about that I'm going to get out of the way. Part of the old trim. So with the screws out of the way, I can pull this whole top sheet off. Also get a look and see that the door has blown in insulation. Looks like closed cell foam. And there's my other screw that's holding the bracket. The other broken piece. So with that done, we can put the new piece on. So you do need to watch out. This was a piece of the old clip that was still stuck on the screw because it broke off. So I had to pull that off before I can put the new trim piece back on. So you can see this close up. There is an inner piece of the seal with slots cut out of it that the screws go through. So this sits underneath the plate. And then this part sits above the plate on the top. So we're going to line that up. So there is a top and bottom to this after all. And I just found out the hard way that you got to watch because the slots won't necessarily line up with the screw holes when it's on the wrong way. So I'm gonna flip it over. So when you're done, you should see all of the slots line up with the screw holes all the way across and all the way around, and you should be able to see the metal underneath the gasket. So with the gasket in place and the seal in place, I now have it lined up with the holes as well. So now I can start putting the screws back in to tighten this whole thing back up. So we're going to do that right now. Okay, with the seal back in place, we can now put the door back on and put the clip back in place, and we'll be done. So let's finish it up. And we're done. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, you found it useful, and if you have any questions, as always, post your questions below. I'll try and answer those as best I can. And thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Rough Riders.